Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to print documents from PandaDoc. Okay, we're going to be printing a document inside here in the PandaDoc website. So first up, go ahead and open up one of your documents. For example, this sample Outlook document right here. Just going to click on it. Now, in here in the editing page, just go to the top right, and here we have the three dots. Okay, just click on it. Now, at the bottom, we have the print section. Okay, there are actually two ways. You can download this one and print it from your PDF reader or from Microsoft Word. If not, just click on print. Okay, got it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, go to the top right and click on the print icon. Okay, in here, just select your printer. Okay, and here, just select the pages, color, paper size, pages per sheet, and scale. Once done, just hit on print, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.